In today's video, we will be going over the steps to install the Smart Apply Intelligent Spray Control System. Start by assembling the spray valve adapters. Seal the threads on the shown connectors. After sealing, tighten all connections. Add sealant to the spray pipes. Attach the assembled adapters. Be sure to tighten until the valve connection is facing away from the air blast and other valves. Attach the solenoid. Be careful of the O-ring, as it may become pinched during installation. Attach the spray boom harness. Route along the spray pipe and secure it in a protected area, away from moving parts or contact with foliage. Level the sprayer so the roll value is 0 degrees. Assemble the hitch mount. This will vary from sprayer to sprayer. Attach the left and right upright. Attach the upper and lower cross brace to both uprights. Attach the mount upright, each one hole off from the center. Loosely install the LiDAR mount. Ensure the roll of the mount is level. Install the LiDAR. With the sprayer at operating height, measure from the ground to the center of the LiDAR. It should be 30 to 40 inches depending on row spacing, but fit within the range of 30 to 50 inches. Adjust the mount if needed. Assemble tubing to the LiDAR blower fan. Install the blower fan mount. Mount the blower so it will align with the LiDAR. Check that the flow direction arrow is toward the LiDAR. Attach the adapter and tubing to connect the LiDAR to the blower. Attach the mount to the filter housing and attach it to the blower. Add a rain cap to the filter. Loosely add mounts to the control box. Mark the holes on the mounts where the cross beams align. Remove the mounts and add bolts in the marked locations and for the control panel shield as shown. Attach mounts and shield. Mount the control box. Install vertical supports. Install the GPS receiver. Keep equipment clear of the LiDAR lens. Attach all harnessing to the control box as labeled. Route harnessing from the control box to the spray boom harness from the first steps. Locate the power harness. Install the round end to the control box. Route the eyelet end to the nearest battery, which can be on the tractor or sprayer. To help with routing, the fuse block can be removed by loosening the hex head bolts on each side of the block. Lastly, remove the positive then negative wires from your battery. Install the new harness with the current power wires by installing the positive wire, then the negative wire.